Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Essie Mojito Madness. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Essie Mojito Madness. My friend Kim Hicks wanted to see me do something with this one. So we're going to go in. I did change out the brush and put the fatter brush that I got from Glisten and Glow to this Essie bottle, and oh, what a difference this makes. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm going to go in for a second coat. These brushes make Essie application so much easier. And I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to seal this one in, dry it down so we can play. And there's the picture of Pro FX. So here's a swatch photo of it all on its own. I'll be using MoYou London, and this is the Suki Collection 06 Stampin' Plate. I've got to get this blue film off of it and get it clean. I like to clean them with pure acetone, and then I wipe them over with a paper towel real quick. It's just how I do it. So I've decided to use my monocle stamper today and my Maniology scraper in this Born Pretty dark green. You know, they don't have names, and mine, most of them don't even have numbers. So I'm going to use a couple of different images off this plate. I liked this little flower image. I figured it would work really well. And I'm going to place it differently on all the nails that I put this on. I'm cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. Yes, yes. And here we go. We're going to do that again. I'm going to do this image on 3 nails, and my thumb and my ring finger are going to be my accent nails today. So there we go. Turn it around. Like I said, I'm going to move the images around a little bit so that they'll all look, you know, cohesive, but not exactly the same. Of course, y'all know with me, they're not going to be exactly the same anyway. I can't line them up that good. So there we go. There we have it. And I decided to use this like bamboo image also. I really liked it. There were a lot of images on this plate. I'm surprised I didn't just go crazy and do different ones. But I changed to my Beauty scraper. Sometimes you got to do that. Sometimes certain scrapers or stampers or polishes just don't act right. So here we go. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up. I didn't show me doing my thumb, but it's the same as my ring fingernail. There we go. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and just tidy up just a little bit. There we go. Easy peasy. There we go. Got it going on, girl. So I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I do have a discount code down there in the description box if you go shopping there and would like to get a discount. And then once that's dry, I am going to cover it up with some Poshe top coat. I'm going to seal this one in and call it done. Ta-dun, dun, dun. So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.